So the question is, the correct order of atomic radii in group 13 elements is. So now let's first draw the group 13 elements as per the periodic table. So the first is boron, the next is aluminum, the next is gallium, and then indium, and then Tl. So if we go down the group 13 elements, the radius should generally increase, but in this case gallium has a anomaly. So it has an extra d electron which causes d contraction. Due to that poor shielding, the electrons are much attracted to the nucleus. This reduces its radius size. So it gets reduced, it becomes less than the aluminum. So the order becomes boron, then Al, sorry, the order becomes boron, then Ga, then aluminum, then indium, and then this. So now we will match this order to the question. So by matching, we get first is smaller is B, boron. So boron there, and then gallium. So this is the answer as this order matches this. Thank you.